today we're gonna be playing GarageBand. What else do you think I'll play? By the way, I got this ready already. So look at this, the bassoon. And this is how you make the epic Roblox Plant Island sound. Look, you have to do this. Yeah, like that, yeah. Wait, that was so bad, wait. If you guys want to learn that, then keep learning the keys, guys. So it's like C. Oh, what the POV when I mess up a key. Wasn't that great music, guys? Anyways, let's do it with other instruments and see what's better. The French horn, let's see. That has to work, guys. No, not that key. I meant this key. Okay, that's kind of better than the bassoon, but I can't make the good droop. I'm not that talented, guys. So like. If you didn't know, you could just do it with the upright too. But like, I'm gonna do Thwok too. But like, I'm not gonna do the full thing. But this is how I first started off with Thwok. First off is the picked bass. It goes like this. Okay, but then people are always doing the upright, which I thought wasn't good. I literally just made Thwok. I don't know if that sounded accurate though. So, yeah. The Glockenspiel, I never tried this instrument in my life. My singing monsters, I want my singing monsters to watch this. This is gonna be my new monster. It goes like this. Yeah, don't mind the Plant Epic Roblox or Mammoth on there. Wait, we could do Mammoth too, guys. We could do how do you do Mammoth? You go here. Dang, that sounded good. Great music. By the way, this is how you do riff. But this is like the extreme part, so like I'm gonna get the new keyboard for this, like this keyboard. It goes like. I don't think that's how it goes though. It's not good. What? Who changed the game? Oh wait, does it have to be -1? I don't know how to do riff, but this is how good I could do. Like. Kinda good. So like that's how you do riff and acoustic guitar, I think it's called. Okay. Does that sound familiar? Does that sound familiar, guys? Does that sound familiar? Yeah, it's for corn, but I can't do the whole thing, guys. That doesn't sound good with the bass, but guys, you know what sounds with? You know what sounds good with? The flute. It sounds better. Never mind. I still think the obey is probably better. Let's do this in now. That's all I can do, guys.